Hello everyone, Das Trucks with a new video for 2019 Ford Transit. It's a rear wheel drive, medium roof, cargo van with a sliding passenger door. The engine is a 3.7 liter V6 and the transmission is 6-speed shiftable automatic. This Transit has 98,810 miles. Let's walk around this van. The van is in a great condition. Everything is checked. Everything works great. It has a backup camera. And the slide door in the side. Let's open the slide door. The box from inside is very clean too. Let's open the rear door. This is the open for the rear door, and you can see the bed here for this box. And it's like a 1T track for each side. Let's watch the driver cabinet. The seats is leather. Let's run the engine. And see. No any leaks on the engine. Works great. No any issues. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit a like. See you next video.